Hey everyone, good morning and welcome back to my class. In this video, I will cover class 6 math chapter number 3 exercise 3 points. So, for the previous video, if you want to visit the previous exercise solution, then you can go to my YouTube channel and you can get from there. Now, question number 1. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, what numbers are given? 2, here 3, 4, then 5, here 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now you have to check either these numbers are divisible with these numbers or not. So first is done. 128. So 128 is divisible with 2, isn't it? Because last digit is what? 8. So it will be divisible with 2. So yes. Now again 128 is divisible with 3. No, because the sum of this digit will be how much? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 is not divisible with 3. So this number will not divisible with 3. Now next from 4. So 28 is divisible with 4. What is the divisibility test of 4? Is last 2 digits. So last 2 digit is 28. Now 28 is divisible with 4, isn't it? So this will be what? Yes. Now next again 5. So to divisible with 5, the number should be what? Last digit should be 0 and 5. So this is not divisible. This is not divisible. Now 6. What is the divisibility test of 6? The number should be divisible with 3 and 2. So this number is divisible with 3 or 2 but not divisible with 3. So for 6 it will be no. Now for 8 you have to check 128 you have to divide with 8, and if it is divisible then it will be yes. Now for 9, what is divisibility test? You have to add the alternative numbers and their difference. Now alternative number means what? 1 and 8 and 2. So 1 plus 8 is how much? 9. 9 minus 2 is how much? 7. Now 7 is not divisible with for divisibility of 9 is what? You have to add all the number. All the number if you will add, you will get how much? 11. Now 11 is not divisible with 9, so it will be what? No. Now divisibility of 10. So divisibility of 10 means what? Unit place will be 0, but here unit place is not 0, so divisibility of 10 will be no. Now for 11 you have to do the alternative value. Alternative value means 1 and 8. If you will plus 1 and 8 and 2, how much you will get? 1 plus 8 you will get 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 is not divisible with 11, so this will be no. Now you can see for the next question 190. Now 190 will be what? For 2 it will be yes. Now for 3, is it divisible with 3? Because 9 plus 9 is 18. Now 18 is divisible with 3. So this also yes. So for 3 it will be yes. Now for 4, is 90 divided with 4? No, isn't it? So for divisibility test of 4, this will be what? No. You have to write no here, okay? Now for 5. Last digit is what? 0. So if the last digit is 0, then the number will be divisible with what? 5. Now for 6, what is the divisibility test for 6? You have to if the number is divisible with 2 and 3, isn't it? Now here 2 and 3 is what? 2 and 3 is yes. So the divisibility test of 6 will be yes. Now for 8, you have to see. For 8, what you have to do? You have to divide 990 with 8. Then if you will divide, you will get it will be not divisible, so it will be what? No. Okay, you cannot divide this. Now next is what? 9. So for 9 you have to plus all the numbers. So 9 plus 9, 18. Now 18 is divisible with 9, so it will be what? Yes. Now for 10, if the last digit is 0, then the number will be divisible with what? 10. Now for 11, you have to do the alternative number. Now alternative number means what? 9 plus 0 and 9. 9 plus 0 is how much? 9, isn't it? 9 plus 0 is 9. So again, the middle number is what? 9. Now 9 minus 9 is how much? 0. So here the divisibility of 11 will be what? Yes. In this way, you have to find all this numbers, the divisibility value. This question will be homework. You have to try to divide all this number with 2, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. If they are divisible, then you have to write yes. If they are not divisible, you have to write no. So this table you will do by yourself. Now next question. Now question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 by 8. Now you have to test either this number is divisible with 4 and with 8 or not. We know the divisibility of 4, isn't it? What is the divisibility of 4? We have to see the last two digits. So what is the last two digits? 72. Now 72 is divisibility with 4, isn't it? Because if you will divide 72 with 4, it will be exactly divisible. Suppose 72. No need to divide with all the number 572. You have to check only last two digits. So what is that? 72. Now if you will divide with 2, or sorry 4, 4 ones are 4, 32. Now 4 8s are how much? 32, isn't it? So it is exactly divisible because remainder is 0. So we will see. Now you can write it is divisible by 4. Since why? Since last two digit is divisible by 4. So because this last two digit is divisible with 4, isn't it? So it is divisible by 4 since last two digit is divisible by 4. Now you have to see for divisibility of 8. Now what is the divisibility of 8? Divisibility of 8 is you have to see the last three digit, isn't it? Here is only 3 digits, so you will see the last 3 digit. What is it? Last 3 digit is 572. Now you will divide this with 8. 8 7s are 56. Now what is remaining here? 12. Now 12 is exactly not divisible, so 8 ones are 8, and what is the remainder here? Remainder is 4. Now you can see it is exactly not divisible because remainder is not 0. That is why this number will be not divisible by 8, because for divisibility of 8 we have to see the last 3 digit. Here is only 3 digits, so you will divide this 3 digit with 8, and what we got? 71, and remainder is 4. So this is not exactly divisible with 8. So you will write. So please write down here divisibility by 4, isn't it? So it is divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 8. Now we have divided this with 8 and remainder is not 0. So what you will do? It is not divisible. It is not divisible by what number? 8. Since last 3 digit. So for 8, what is the divisibility test? 3 digit, isn't it? So last 3 digit is not divisible by 8. So in this way you will write the answer. Now next question I will solve. B question is 7 2 6 3 5 2. Now what you have to do? Divisibility test by 4 and by 8, isn't it? So divisibility test by 4. Now you will see by 4. So what is the formula? Means what is the way to check the divisibility of 4? That is last two digit. What is the last two digit? Last two digit is 52. Now is it divisible with 4? How you will do? You will divide this with 4. 4 ones are 4 and 1 is remainder, so 12. Now again 12 is divisible with 4, isn't it? 4 3s are how much? 12. So remainder is 0. If remainder is 0 means this is exactly divisible. So what you will write, it is divisible by 4 since last two digit is divisible by 4. Okay, now this whole big number, what is this? 7,26,352, isn't it? This whole number will be divisible by 4. So no need to divide all this number with 4, just you have to see the last two digit, whether the last two digit is divisible with 4 or not. If it is divisible, then yes, this number will be divisible by 4. Now for 8, divisibility this is LI, divisibility test by 8, isn't it? Now you have to see by 8. So for 8 you have to see last three digit. What is the last three digit? 352. Now you have to divide this number with 8. Now 8 fours are 32. Now 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. 32. Now again 8 fours are how much? 32. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So this number, so it means what? This number. Okay, you can write the number also. 726,352 is divisible by 8 since the last three digit, isn't it? Last three digit is divisible by 8. So hope you have understood. In this way you will do divisibility test of 4. What you have to see the last two digit. If last two digit will divide with the 4, this 4, then whole this number is divided with 4. Again for divisibility test by 8 is how you will do. You will see the last three digit. No need to see all this number, only you have to see last three digit. Now if last three digit is exactly divisible with 8, then you can say this whole number is divisible with 8. So in this way you will solve the remaining question C, D, E, all you will try by yourself. If you will face any problem in any question, then you can comment in my video. Okay, now we will do question number 3. Now here is question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Now what you have to do? You have to see the divisibility test of 6. Now we know, I have given in the introduction part the definition for all this divisibility. What is divisibility of 6? To check the divisibility of test, you have to see either this number is divided with 2 and 3 or not. If this number is divisible by 2 and 3, then you can say that this number will be divisible by 6. Divisibility test by 6, we have to see whether this number is divisible by 2 and 3 or not, isn't it? So we can say that what is the last digit here? Last digit is 4. 4 is what? Even number. So we know if the number is even or 0, then we can say that that number will be divisible by 2, isn't it? So this number is divisible by 2. This is already done. This is already divisible by 2. Now for 3, what you will do? You will plus all the number. You will plus 217,144 is divisible by, this is divisible by 2 since the last number is, or you write digit, since the last digit is even, or you can write 4, isn't it? Because 4 divide with 2. Now for 3, you have to plus all the number, isn't it? You will sum all the number. 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. So what is the value? 9 plus 2 is 11. Now 11 plus 7 is 18. Now 18 plus 1, 19. Now 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4 is how much? 27. So how much you got? 27. Now is this number is divisible with 3? Yes, 27 is divisible with 3. So you can write 297,144 is divisible by, divisible by 3. Since the sum of the digit is sum of the digits, how much we got? 27, isn't it? This number, sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Okay. Oh, sorry, here you will write 3. Okay, this is 3. Now you can see 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. How much you got? 27. Now you can say that 27 is divisible by 3, isn't it? So what you will write? This whole number is divisible by 3. Since the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Now this given number is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So you can say, therefore 297144 is divisible by 6. Since it is divisible by 2 and 3. Since this number is divisible by 2 and 3, so you can say this is divisible by 6. Again, I will solve one more question. Now next question is 1, 2, 5, 8, isn't it? Now this question we have to see the divisibility of what? 6. Divisibility test by 6. Now what we have to check? Either this number is divisible by 2 or not. Now you can say 1, 2, 5, 8 is divisible by 2 since the last digit is what? 8, isn't it? Now this number is divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit is 8, isn't it? If the last digit will be even or 0, then that number will be divisible by 2, isn't it? Now you have to check for 3. Now sum all this number. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. How much you will get if you will plus this? 1 plus 2, 3, isn't it? 3 plus 5. How much you will get? 8. 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. Now is 16 divisible with 3? No, 16 is not divisible by 3. So you will write 1, 2, 5, 8 is not divisible by 3 because the sum of the digit is not divisible by what? 3, because 16 is not divisible with 3, isn't it? Now what we got this number is divisible with 2, but this number is not divisible with 3. So what you will do, if this number is not divisible with 2 and 3, that means this number will be not divisible with 6. Therefore 1, 2, 5, 8 is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible with both 2 and 3. Because this number is not divisible with 2 and 3, means both means with both. It is divisible with 2 but not divisible with 3. So it is not divisible with both this and 2 and 3. So this number will be not divisible by 6. So in this way you will see the divisibility test by 6. Now the remaining question you will try as a homework. I think you have understood how to check the divisibility test of 6. You have to see 2 and 3, okay? If it is divisible with 2 and 3, then that number will be divisible by 6. And if it is not divisible, then you will say that number is not divisible from either one number is also. If it is divisible by 3 and not divisible by 2, then also that number will be not divisible by 6. Okay, now come to next question, question number 4. Now question number 4, using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So now you have to see the divisibility test by 11, isn't it? So question is given 5 4 4 5. Solution. Now we have explained already in the introduction part that the divisibility test is what? You have to plus the alternative number, isn't it? So what is the given number? 5 4 4 5. Now what is the alternative number? Means these two number and this two number you have to plus alternative number. So 5 plus 4 is equal to how much? 9. Now again 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now you will do what? Difference. Difference means what? Minus. 9 minus 9 is what? 0. So what is the difference? Is 0. So what you will write? Therefore 5 4 4 5 is divisible by 11. Okay, this number is divisible by 11 because when you plus the alternative number and when you see the difference, the value is 0. If the value is 0 or the value will be divisible by 11, then you will say that number is divisible by 11, isn't it? So this number is divisible by 11 because the difference of sum of alternative number or alternate number is what? Alternate number is 0. JTRO, or you can write 0. Okay, this number is divisible by 11. Why? Because the difference of the sum of alternate number is what? 0. Now the next question, I will show you one more question. 10824. So this is the number. So what are the alternative number here? From here 10824. So this and this, isn't it? Alternative means one, you will leave one after another. Okay, 1 and 8, 8 and 4. Now if you will plus 1 plus 8 plus 4, how much you will get? 9. 9 plus this, you got 13. And now here next 0 plus 2. What is the number? 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2 is what? 2. Now the difference is what? 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. Now again you can see the difference is what? 11, and 11 is again divisible by 11, isn't it? So therefore 10824 is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11 because the difference of sum of alternate number is what? Alternate number is 11. Because this number is 11, again 11 is divisible by 11 or not? So this number will be divisible by 11. So in this way you will solve. So I will solve one more question. Question number C. So C question is what? 7 1 3 8 9 6 5. These are the question. Now you have to check the divisibility of what? 11. So alternative number you have to plus, isn't it? Sum of the alternative number 1 3 3 9 and 5. So 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 5 you will get 24. Now next alternative number 1 3 and 6, isn't it? 1 plus 3 plus 6, how much you will get? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6, how much? 10. Now difference, D-I-V-R-E-N-C, difference 24 minus 10, how much you will get? You will get 14. Now 14 is not divisible with 11. 14 is not divisible. 14 is not divisible by 11. Therefore 7 1 3 8 9 6 5 is not divisible by, not divisible by 11. Okay, you will see the difference. If difference is 0 and the difference is a divisible number of 11, then you will say that number is divisible by 11. Now what we got 14, and we know 14 is not divisible with 11, so this number will also be not divisible by 11. In this way you will do this question number 4. The remaining question you will try by yourself. If you will get any problem, any difficulties in any question, you can comment in my video. Now come to next question, question number 5. Question number 5, write the smallest digit and the greatest digit. Okay, smallest, and you have to write the greatest digit in the blank space each of the following numbers so that the number form, means what number you will add and what number you will form, is divisible by 3. Okay, that number should be divisible by what? 3. Now we know what is the divisibility test of 3. Sum of all the numbers should be divided by 3, isn't it? So you will sum all the numbers. So first digit we don't know, plus 6 plus 7, then plus 2 plus 4. So if you will plus all these numbers, so what you will get here, leave this number. Okay, you will leave this number. Now 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Now 15 plus 4 is how much? 19. What number we got? We got how much? 19. What we got? 19, isn't it? Again I will say, check this. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Now divisibility of 19 is not divisible by what? 3, isn't it? So nearest to this 19, which number will be divisible by 3? Nearest to this, if you will, 20 is also not divisible. And next what? 21. Now you can say 21 is divisible by 3, isn't it? So if instead of 19, if the number will be 21, then this number will be divisible by 3, isn't it? So what number you will add and you will get, 21? 19 plus 2, isn't it? 19 plus 2, how much you will get? 21. So 21 is again divisible by 2. So smallest number will be what? Smallest number you can put is 2, isn't it? The smallest number you can put here is what? 2. Now if you will add all this number, you will get 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. So this all number will be divisible by 3. Now next, again you have to see this is what the smallest one. Now again same number. Okay, if you will plus, again you will get what? 19. Now 19 plus what? The biggest number. Suppose you will add the biggest number 1 to 9, 1 to 10. What is the biggest digit? Because here you have to put only one digit number. Okay, here you cannot put two digit number like 12, 11, 10. You cannot put, you have to put single digit number. Suppose you will put here 9. Now 19 plus 9, how much you will get? 28. Is this number divisible? If I add 9, 28, is 28 divisible by 3? No, this is not divisible by 3, isn't it? So you cannot add what? You cannot add 9. If you will add 8, now 19 plus 8, how much you will get? 27, isn't it? How much you will get? 27. Now 27 is divisible with 3 or not? Yes, 27 is divisible with 3. So greatest number you can put in this blank will be what? The greatest number you can put in this blank will be 8. Now 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, how much you will get? You will get 27. Now 27 is divisible by 3. Therefore your answer will be 2 is the smallest number, because you have to find the greatest and the smallest number, isn't it? So in the blank, so 2 is the smallest digit, and 8 is the greatest digit that we can fill the space. So 2 is the smallest digit and 8 is the greatest digit that we can fill in the space, which will make that number divisible by what? 3. Now next question is what? B. 4, 7, 6, 5 and dash and 2. Okay, I will solve here itself. Now if you will add all the number, here it is blank plus 2 equal to, now if you will plus all this number, how much you will get? Now if you will add all this number, okay, if you will add all this number, here there is no number, okay, except this. If you will add this number, you will get how much? 24. Now 24 is already divisible with 3, isn't it? 24 is already divisible with 3. So what we can put here? Smallest number, if we put 0 here, okay, this, because we have to put one smallest and one greatest. So smallest you will put what? 0. Because why I'm putting 0 here? Because the remaining digit, if you are adding, we are already getting 24, isn't it? Because 24 is divisible by 3, so the smallest number we can add will be what? 0. Now if you will add this, you will get 24, and 24 is divisible by 3. Now again the greatest number will be what? Now if we add all this number, we are getting how much? 24. Now 24 greatest number, 1 to 10 or 1 to 9, what is the greatest value? 9, isn't it? If you will add this, how much you will get? So if you will add 9, 33, isn't it? 24 plus 9, we got 33. Now 33 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 33 is divisible by 3, because 33 divided with 3, how much you will get? 11. Because this number is exactly divisible with 3, so we can add 9 also. So what will be the greatest number that will make a divisibility of 3? That will be what? 9. Now if you will add all this number, what you will get? 33. So what is the greatest smallest number? Therefore 0 is the smallest number, smallest digit, and 9 is the greatest digit that we can fill the space. So in the space, in the blank space, if you will put 0, it will become the smallest number divisible by 3, and if you will put 9, that will be the greatest number divisible by 3. Now come to question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following number so that the number form is divisible by 11. Now what should be that number? Divisibility is what? 11. So what number you will put here and the number will be divisible by 11. Now here it is not given the smallest and the greatest, just we have to find only one number, okay, we can find any number, but that numbers, but by adding that number, this whole number should be divisible by what? 11. In the previous question it was written the greatest and smallest you need to find, but here no need to find the greatest and small, just you have to find one value, one digit, and which that number which will make that number divisible by 11. Now come to the solution. So what is the divisibility of 11? Divisibility of 11 is we have to add the alternative number, isn't it? We have to add the alternative number, and that alternative number should be divisible by the difference of that alternative number should be divisible by 11, or the difference should be 0. Now 9, 2, this 3 and 9. Here one digit is there, isn't it? We don't know what digit will be. So what is the alternative number here? 9 plus this blank number plus 8. Now 9 plus this plus 8. Now what is the next number? 2, 3 and 9. 2 plus 3 plus 9. Here all numbers there, so we can add this easily. Now 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what we got? 14. Now if we add only this number, how much we are getting? We are getting 17, isn't it? How much we are getting? We are getting how much? 17. Now 17 plus what will make? Now here what is given? 14, isn't it? Now we have to see the difference, isn't it? Difference means minus we have to do. From what number we will minus 14, and the answer should be what? 11. Now here what? 14. And we have to do difference. So what number you will write and you will do difference and you will get 11. So what will be that number? Now 17 is there. If you will write here 17, 17 minus 14 is how much? Sorry, I will explain here. Sorry. Uh, what we got, the sum of the next digit, we got how much? 14, isn't it? When we add this number, we got 14. And if we add 9 and 8, then how much we are getting? 17. Now 17, if you will write here 0, suppose I am writing here 0, then 17 minus 4, how much you will get? You will not get 11, or you will not get 0, isn't it? So what number you will write, and which will give the difference, which the difference will give a divisibility number of 11. So listen carefully what you will do. What you will add with 17. How you will find? You will add 14 plus 11. Okay, 14 plus 11 is how much? Is 25. Is how much? With this 14, because in this part all number is there, isn't it? So after adding what we got? 14. In this 14 we will add how much? 11. Now 14 plus 11 is 25, and from 25 you will minus this number. So what number you got here? Means excluding this. Okay, you have exclude here, isn't it? So excluding this, what number you got here is 17. Now from 25 you will do minus 17. So what is the value? 8. Now with 17, 17 plus 8 is how much? 25. Now if you will do 25 minus 14, you will get 11. Now 11 is divisible with 11, and this whole number will be divisible by 11, isn't it? So what you will add here? 8. So 9 plus 8 you get 25. Now difference 24 minus 14 is how much? 11. Now this 11 is divisible with 11. So what number we got in the blank? So blank is what? Our answer is what? 8. So required digit is what? 8. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me again. Hope you have understood. What you will do, for divisibility test of 11, we know the alternative number we have to add, isn't it? So what I did, I have add all the alternative number, and here it is blank, but this number was not blank, isn't it? 14. So with 14, what I did, with 14 I add what? 11. So when you add 14 plus 11, you got 25, and from this 25 you have to subtract the number which is blank, isn't it? Here it was blank, and what we got? 8, and this number should be added here. Now I will do the next question also. Sorry, this is 25. Okay, not 24. I'm extremely sorry. This is 25. Now next number I will solve, so you will be understood better. Alternative number. First you will see which are the order. Now this isn't it? 8 plus 9 plus 8. So all number is here. So what you will do? You will plus 8. 8 is 16. Now 16 plus 9. How much? 25. How much we got? 25. Now next, the blank 4 4. Now blank, then 4 plus 4. Now 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Now what we got? 4 plus 4, it will be how much? 8, isn't it? So if this is 0, suppose this is 0, then how it will be? The difference will be 25 minus 8, and it's to divisible with 11, this difference should be equal to how much? 11. But if we see here 25 minus 8, how much you get? 25 minus 8, you will get how much? 17, isn't it? Now this is 17, and here it is how much? 11. But we want what? 11. But what we got? We got is 17. So 17 minus 11 is how much? 6. So with this number, if you will add 6, then how much you will get? 14. Now 25 minus 14 is equal to how much? 11 or not? So 17 minus 11 is 6. So this 6 should be add with 8. If you will add, you will get 14. Now 25 minus 14 is how much? 11. So what will be the required number? That number will be what? 6. Now if you will add all this number, you will get 14. Now difference, if you will do difference 25 minus 14, you will get 11, and which is divisible by 11, isn't it? So The required number is, therefore the required number or required digit is what we got, 6. Okay, this is your answer. So in this type of question, in the exam point of view, this type of question is very important. If you will face any problem, difficulties, you can comment in my below. I will try to explain that question again. So in this video I will conclude with this much. In my next video I will come up with the next exercise, that is 3.4. so thank you all of you, and I will say stay home, stay safe, because the corona is over, because vaccine is not came. So till that we have to stay safe and stay home, isn't it? So thank you all of you. Bye bye.